Hello YouTube family, welcome to Biker Dad Life, and first of all I would love to thank you all for your overwhelming response for my last video of the Jeep Compass, that is the 2021 Jeep Compass. And today's video is of this HJC helmet. This is the HJC C15 Tony Elias edition. This is named after Mr. Tony Elias, the legendary Tony Elias, the MotoGP Tony Elias. So moving on to the helmet, I would like to tell you guys about the certifications. Basically this is ECE certified, and this is a medium that I have, and the weight of the helmet is around 1450, that is 1450 grams. So it is a pretty light helmet. It is a street helmet as such, basically used for street use. And if you'll see the internal shape of the helmet, it is oval in shape, so it gives a good fit on the cheeks, and it has to give a good snug fit on the cheeks rather. If you'll see the exterior, it has a nice glossy exterior, a nice glossy fit with the 24 initials on the back, and the complete outer surroundings are glossy. So I love glossy helmets. And this is obviously the chin mount that I have done for my GoPro. So there is another video, that is in fact my first video of the channel, you all can check that out too. Talking about ventilations, there are 3 ventilations here. One is this one on the chin, and there are 2 on the forehead, if you all see. And basically these are 2 vents wherein the air could be sucked in from here and then it moves out from here. The helmet also has a good aerodynamic shape, and I've been using it since a year now. And this is an entry level helmet, you all can say, from HJC, and it is a wind tunnel tested helmet. So I have had absolutely no problems with wind noise, and I also do my GoPro shots with these. So wind noise is a complete deterrent, and I haven't had any issues with wind noise with the HJC CS15. Talking about the face shield, it has a good rigid face shield. It has a 1 and 2 levels of locks there, and here you all can also lock the visor if you all are riding on longer periods. So you all can just lock it here and you won't be able to open it from this side. If you all can see the visor, it is also pin lock ready. And if you want to remove the visor, you all just have to pick it up and just press this button here, and this face shield comes off. So that is pretty easy. Same goes on the other side too. Just press this and both the face shields come off this way. As I told you, the visor is pin lock ready, and you all can just insert a pin lock, which is important in foggy conditions. It's pretty easy to put it back too. So there you go, I have fitted back too. Talking about the clips, this is basically a clip-on kind of an adjustment that you just have to insert it here, and for pulling it back you just have to remove this. So unfortunately this doesn't have the D-ring lock that is pretty famous, but it's okay for street riding. I guess I don't have to go on the track, so for street riding this is okay. And talking about the paddings are also pretty nice. I haven't had any issues with it. You all can also just remove it in this way. They are easily removable in this fashion. So the paddings can be removed, the entire padding can be removed. Obviously you all can see my mic setup there, because I do my moto vlogs too. So I'll just put that back. So I put the paddings back, so they are easy to put, and you all can remove all the 3 paddings as I just said. And this is the helmet, guys. Looks really nice. It also has a provision to put the chin kind of a skirting, but I haven't used it. I am not using it. I've just kept it inside. So guys, that's my small review of the HJC CS15. HJC makes really steady helmets, and I completely recommend the helmets. This is a no sponsored review, guys. So I have not been sponsored by HJC to do this. So it's a no sponsored video, and I completely love my helmet. So I would completely recommend this helmet for newbies or for entry level purposes. And always remember, guys, I would highly recommend you all to buy good quality helmets, because it's very important to be safe, because we've been hearing a lot of accidents in these last days. So buy quality gear, buy good brands of helmets, and do follow me on Instagram too. My Instagram ID is Biker Dad Life. That's no space in between, it's just Biker Dad Life. Also subscribe here to my YouTube channel, it's the same, Biker Dad Life. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Thanks a lot for your support, and if there's any question about the helmet or anything related to riding too, please drop down in your comments below. You have a great day. Bye bye.